Now, just before me go, I want to give my hardcore Jamaican them a bonus round. Now, in that round, I'm going to say some things where some people can pick the sense from the nonsense. If it goes for you, you pick it out, apply it to yourself, and fix it. Or, if it don't go to you, you just leave it alone. Again, me always tell people, say, eat the meat and spit out the bone. So, anything you can get from around you, we can apply it to you, take it, and leave the rest. Now, let me just say this. When you do this, Lanya, you have to be careful. You have to be careful of who you end up in a relationship with. Some people, they're in a survival mode. Them not there to help you. Them basically there for the help. Them in a survival mode. They may say and do anything to get you to come with your $50,000 or your $60,000, shack up with them, and you can never have money. Some people are going to bring you down. Some people do not procreate with them. When we say procreate, do not have kids with them, because you're going to find yourself and have kids, you're going to go on child support, and you're going to turn to the government with a low-income apartment. All of them things that are systems where them put in place to keep you poor or keep you from trying. So you have to be careful who you're married to. One of the number one reasons as why a lot of people homeless is because of a divorce. Be very careful of who you're married to. So that is marriage and relationship. You will end up spend, then can't satisfy, and at the end of the day, you walk out with nothing. When it comes to business venture, or you go trust your friends, say the two are not going to business, be very careful. Some people in the business for thief. You are work, you are put in, and them are thief and I take out. So be very careful of that. You will put all your life saving, your retirement in it, and it not work out. So be very careful of who you plan business with. Next thing, be careful of who you tell your plans. Be careful of who you tell your plans. You were there and you work with someone and you tell them, say, oh, you know, me I got to do this, me I got to do that, me I got to do this. And the same way how you pray for do that, and the same way them undo your prayer. So you have to be careful who you tell what you do. So definitely you have to keep that off of the internet and keep certain personal things to yourself. Now, last but not least is spending less than the average person, working harder than the average person, and do not do what the average person do. So when you see them out there complain and make videos say, oh, America tough and people and them can't do this and them can't do that, don't do that. When you see them out there protest and I say the government do this and the government, don't do that. When you see everything when you see them do, when they now make it, don't do that. You do the opposite. Just focus how to work harder than them, spend less than them, and invest more than them. And trust me, you will good. You will definitely good.